Easiest way to create a sleek bun is grab your ponytail and begin tightly twisting it counterclockwise 2 to 3 times. And then begin tightly wrapping it counterclockwise around your bun. And once you get to the left side, twist it 2 more times and then continue wrapping and repeating this until you've reached your ends. Now, once you do, tuck them under your bun. There you have yourself a chic and sleek bun. It's perfect for any occasion and it's the best go-to hairstyle for 3rd or 4th day hair. No one will know. So begin by smoothing all of your hair back into a high ponytail. Hold your ponytail with your left hand and grab the underside of it with your right. And then begin tightly twisting clockwise. Then starting at the top, take your first French pin, insert it through the middle of your twist so the ends come out the right side. Push them against your head as you slide them through to the left. And then repeat down as many times as you like. There you have it, a really fun and beautiful way to dress up your ponytail. And then tightly secure your 2 side sections together at the back of your head with a hair elastic, and then flip your ponytail up and through the hole at the top, pulling it all the way through to create a topsy tail. Next, gather 2 2-inch sections from both sides of your ponytail and completely section them off, and then tightly secure them together with a hair elastic. And then repeat, this time splitting your lower ponytail in half and securing your 2 sections together on top to create another pull through.
Feel uninvited, left home in West LA, I'm not excited, so uninspired, on my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder, she loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer, just wanna touch like back when we were younger, yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me, touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me, touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me, touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me, touch me, touch me, touch me. I'm so divided, starstruck, but hate has got some indecisive. I'm over fighting, I just can't wake up cold and sleep alone. This boy's some trouble.